the summer of love.
Hello people, welcome back to Technical Coder. I am back again with another video. This video will be some interesting part. In this video we will create and I will show you how to create a Facebook page. Just normal Facebook page without CSS, just the HTML setup and the structure of the Facebook page. So let's get started. So first, head on to your browser. Let's see the structure. Click on Facebook here. Okay, this is the structure. This is the structure with HTML plus CSS. Now we will translate this. If you don't know this one, disable HTML and all other what I will say extensions for Chrome, development extensions. So make sure you check that video on the top right corner I button. You will get everything on that video, how to install this one and what are these names. So I will click on this, disable HTML. Where it is? Where? Yes. In the CSS part we will turn it off. And let's reload this page, and now you can see the page setup without CSS, only the structure. We will create from this Facebook to create account. This security confirmation is not needed. Have to create account, this one, up to this button. So let's start it. Let's fire our emit and brackets out. If you don't know what is emit and how to set it up, you will also get the video on the top right corner I button of the setup of emit on the brackets. If you without emit, it will take a lot of time. So let's create a new file. Control N and let's use emit, shift plus 1 exclamation plus tab key. Let's save this file. What I will say, facebook.html, save this and then shift plus tab key. The title here is Facebook login or region. Let's give it Facebook login or register. Register. Let's fire this live preview. If you don't know what is live preview and some important brackets, the video will be as usual on the top right corner I button. Make sure you hit that video and watch that video and then proceed to this video. So you can see Facebook login or register is done. So let's get started. Email and password. For this, here in this one, in the email and this password, these are all taken in table format. So let's take ours also. In the body, hit table and then press the tab key, enter tr td. Let's say email, or it is written there, food. Oops, I forgot that Facebook logo. Sorry. It's no problem, no big deal. Press H1 here, then tab key, enter, press A, tab key. You can see this is a colored one. It's a link to Facebook homepage, that is www.facebook.com. So we will give it www.facebook.com and name it as, you can say it's tilted one, so it's italic. Press I and tab key, Facebook. Let's see our page. Yeah, it's Facebook. But the problem is here is this link will not work until we give it the full protocol, HTTP or HTTPS, anything will work. You will give this protocol, this one, just this, colon and double slash. Now this will work. Let's check it out. Let's go to this and you can see a Facebook page has opened. And you can now also see where my page has gone. Let's give it a live preview again. And now you can see the Facebook. Now let's copy this slide, and for this copy it's command D, you can see there. Let's give it name as password. In another row, let's give it tr, again td. Here we will have to give this one a name like names that we have to give the email allocation to the box. So for this we have to use forms. Let's see here, forms. Let's type here slash and the forms are done. Now give it an input here, input, type is text, no, okay, type is text, but I don't think text. Let's give it email. Go to this type, command D. In here the input will be password. Go and search for password, and you can see your password. This is a dep. Let's check this out, the gap. Just a minute. So here you can see it has automatically loaded up and the password has again come to its position. So then what we have to do is a login button. Let's copy this text again. I will give the part 2 in the link in the description box below, and also on the top right corner I button. So make sure you hit the like button, share this video to your friends anywhere, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get notifications, hit the bell icon. So thanks for it today guys, bye bye, see you in the next part.